All right, now let's give it a little shake. We got quick shine, a couple spritzes in here. On low pros, I don't really love spraying onto the tire, okay? And so what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna kind of try to spread this out first. Now, this is gonna dry kind of matte. And you notice I didn't shove any up into the tread, right? That's a number one reason for Sling. As you can see, I just mushed some right there. Number one reason for Sling is getting your dressing into the tread. Now, I'm not pushing really hard. I'm a little bit more of a brush guy, personally. Everybody's a little different. We sell these applicators in the store. What's gonna happen here is this is gonna dry pretty matte. So what you guys are seeing is the first layer. Go ahead and run it along the bottom. And this is my favorite look on a tire, personally. Okay, I always go one tread in, because I like it to dry perfectly after driving around a little bit. And I'll even back the car up at the end, okay? But the secret on these tires is to do what? We have a little lip here, is to get inside that lip. And that's where this applicator is really good. Get inside that lip all the way around. That way we don't see any dry tire when we have a finished product. And you'll notice I don't have any dressing in the tread. So there's zero possible sling on this tire. Sling is going to come from dressing being locked up in the tread. So it's going to sling out of the tread all the way across the side of your tire. And that is the number one reason for sling. It's not because the dressing is on the tire, it's because it's in the tread. So we got these low pro tires. Go ahead and shake up your quick shine. Just a couple little tiny sprays, okay? When you have these Scorpion low pros, one of the things I notice is the more that I put on my applicator, the worse it is. So I'm just gonna go in and very lightly spread it. Why am I doing that? Because I don't wanna jam anything into the tread. You'll notice I have nothing in the tread, and now, by the time I go over the tread, I've taken all the excess product off and put it on the tire, giving myself a nice clean. We go one tread all the way in. You can move your car back and forth to get the very bottom at the end of the detail, but you'll notice this is just a very, very matte finish, which is why we develop Quick Shine. Go ahead and get the lip on these. Great way to finish it out. Once it starts to dry, it's gonna be really matte. This is just gonna be a nice, dark, rich look. Notice I don't have anything jammed in the tread, except this little tiny rock that we can try to get out here. But anyway, if we don't jam it in the tread, we got a great finish on the tire. There's no chance of sling. And that started by what? Not putting too much on my applicator. If I want to go back and add, I can go back and add. But if I'm fighting everything in the tread, it makes things a lot more difficult. All right, so here's the reason for tire shine slinging on your car. I'm just gonna load this up, not care, taking our Quick Shine product. Look how much product's on there. So we got all this product, way too much for the tire. It's a low pro tire, and I just start jamming this in there. Look at all this product, Marty, okay? Tire shine does not sling on its own. It slings because it's in the tread. It started out with putting too much on the applicator. Now I just continue to shove it in there, and now I'm sitting here trying to get it out every little crack and crevice, but you can see it's not gonna get every little thing out of there, and that is going to cause it to sling. That is 100% the reason for tire sling. It's not the dressing, it's the application of the dressing. And you can see this is gonna fling all over the side. Now we're never gonna release it. If you do have this situation, take a blower, blow this in towards the inner barrel, or excuse me, inner fender well, and that'll keep you from getting this all over the car. But you will have to go back and blow this. Look at this. This is why you get tire shine slung all over your car. It has nothing to do with the shine. If you want to get the real matte look, you take our Quick Shine product, just mist it lightly. Look how little is on there. Again, make sure not to, I'm just gonna lightly put this on. I don't want anything to go in the treads. So I'm gonna go on the face first. Now, remember, when tire shine goes on, it has a different look than when it dries, okay? So now, I've taken some of the excess product off the applicator, go over the tread very lightly. That way I don't get any sling. And this is how you get a matte look. When this dries, it's going to be just dark because I hardly put any dressing, just enough to darken it up. And that is the way to get that matte look that I really prefer when I'm dressing tires.